Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Daily. Let's get started with part 2 of the basic terms of accounting. The first term is sales. A sales is a transaction between two or more parties in which the buyer receives tangible or intangible goods, services, or assets in exchange for money. In financial markets, a sale can also refer to an agreement that a buyer and seller make regarding the price of the security. From financial market, we mean the share markets, where the sale and purchase of shares and debentures are done. Next is revenue. Revenue is the value of all sales of goods and services recognized by a company in a period of time. Revenue is also referred to as sales or income. Expenses are deducted from a company's revenue to arrive at its profit or net income. Expenses. An expense in accounting is the money spent or costs incurred by a business in their effort to generate revenue. Essentially, accounts expenses represents the cost of doing business. These are the sum of all the activities that hopefully generate a profit. Next is expenditure. An expenditure represents a payment with either cash or credit to purchase goods or services. To record the occurrence of an expenditure, an accountant must show evidence of the transaction occurring. Now, I want to make one thing clear, that there is a very specific difference between expenses and expenditure. Since both of them are alike, but there is a specific difference. So, the key difference between expenses and expenditure is that expenses refers to the amount spent by the business in order to ensure the generation of the revenue, whereas the expenditure refers to the amount sent by the business for the purpose of purchasing the fixed assets or for increasing fixed assets value. This is a very important difference between expenses and expenditure. Next is profit. Accounting profit. Accounting profit, also called bookkeeping profit, is the net income that remains after subtracting the explicit costs from a firm's total revenue. These costs include labor costs, raw material costs, distribution costs, and other production expenses. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such educational videos.